Fellow investors, welcome to the channel. The stock which we are going to discuss today is one of the most favorite to many of the investors right now. This stock has given a tremendous profits from the past 1 month, which has moved from 80 rupees to 280 rupees. We have already done a detailed thorough fundamental as well as the technical analysis video on this company on September 3rd, and have requested all our fellow investors to enter into the stock exactly at 220 rupees. Once after our analysis, this stock has given a tremendous breakout and reached 280 rupees. Again, this stock is consolidating from 280 rupees to 247 rupees. Currently, this stock is exactly trading at 247 rupees, which is where I see a very strong technical chart pattern which is forming right now. This pattern is nothing but a bullish pennant pattern, which where I see both the buyers and the sellers are trying to be accumulate in the bullish pennant pattern, and I see that this pattern is going to go and break in a week time, which where this stock is going to reach new higher zones, which is going to be more than 350 rupees from this point. I see a very strong potential and the best entry right now, so I want you to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price. This video is divided into 3 chapters. One is the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and chart patterns. When it comes into the fundamental analysis, this company's market capital was more than 10,000 crore, and this company is in the business of a chemical sector. This company has a very good book value as well as a face value, and this company's earnings per share as well as price to earnings ratio were tremendously increasing from the past 3 years. And this company has a very strong net profits as well as net assets and the total growth. Now, this company's compound sales growth was tremendously increased from the past 3 years, and this company's profit growth were increased from more than 500% when we compare it from the past 3 years. And this company's return on equity is very good, and this company has a very good shareholding pattern which includes both the foreign institutional investors, domestic institutional investors. And this company, when it comes into the fundamentals, is very strong, and this company's profits, revenues, and the compound sales, compound profits, earnings per share ratio were tremendously increasing on a quarter by quarter basis as well as an annual basis. When it comes into the technical analysis, this company is currently forming a bullish pennant pattern, which is one of the best in the technical chart patterns. This pennant is exactly at a very strong support zone, which where I see that this stock is going to go and bounce back from that pennant and will reach into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than 350 rupees in near future. So I want you to keep this stock under your radar and enter exactly at the very right and the best price to gain more in profits from this company. Let me take you into my screen and will show you exactly with the help of chart patterns, buyers and seller psychology, trend lines and the support and resistance levels and the candlestick patterns, what kind of pattern which is forming right now and how strong is that pattern and where exactly is the very strong support and the strong resistance, and how much are the profits which you are going to gain in return and what are the target levels. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing my channel. I see most of the investors who are watching the videos are not yet subscribed. I would request you to please subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification. I would request you to please do like, comment and share these videos to the other fellow investors whoever want to invest in the right breakout stocks as well as the value investing stocks. Be happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind. Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. The stock which we are going to analyze today is Himadri Speciality Chemicals Limited. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the target levels as well as an entry point, trend line and the support. You see that this chart which you are seeing on my screen is a daily chart. You were able to see it clearly that this company's stock was continuously in an upward momentum from almost like 80 rupees to 280 rupees. Currently, this stock is exactly consolidating in a very strong technical bullish pennant pattern, which where you could able to see it clearly that once after a heavy upward momentum with a back-to-back green candles and with a heavy rally, this stock is consolidating exactly in a pennant, which where you could able to see it clearly on my screen. This box which you are showing on my screen is a pennant, which is one of the best in the technical chart patterns, which you could able to see it clearly a higher highs which is forming right now in this company. I'm sure that this company's stock is going to consolidate little bit over here in between the pennant and will break this pennant into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than 350 rupees. The best entry into this company is going to be exactly over here, which is in between 39 rupees to 240 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be 290 rupees, and the target 2 is going to be 350 rupees, and the target 3 is going to be 400 rupees within 3 to 4 months of time. Please keep the stock under your radar. This is one of the best in the chemical sector right now, which has a huge, momentum and huge profits which are gaining on an year-by-year basis, on a quarterly basis. So this company stock has a tremendous momentum on the tremendous breakouts, which is going to be happen as per the in-depth technical as well as the fundamental analysis. This company's fundamentals are really very strong right now, and these companies are having a very huge projects which has acquired within the India, and their revenues are getting increasing on an year-by-year basis, almost like more than 2 times. When it comes into the technical analysis, this pattern is one of the best in the technical chart patterns, which you could able to see it on my screen, which where this pattern is going to go and break as soon as possible within a week time, and then we'll reach this stock into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than 350 rupees. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted videos on the breakout stocks. I would request you to please watch the videos which are posted under 1 month of time, which where you could able to see a lot of stocks which are ready for a huge breakouts and next bull run. Thank you very much again. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.